coming live from the command center of the JW Solar USA. Guys, we've been working so hard and we have to finish this. So, guys, this is what I'm doing right now. This is my 12-volt portable system or 12-volt portable generator I was trying to build with a different things, ideas trying to put together. I don't want it too bulky. I don't want it too heavy. I don't want it to be really not efficient or not really do what I really wanted to do something I wanted to do. But I've built systems, but it seems like the 12-volt system that really disturbing me, giving me a hard time because I don't want to make it too small. I don't want to make it too powerful, just like any bigger system, 24, 48-volt system. I'm kind of tied up into a lot of things, but guys, I don't know. You guys have seen too much videos I already made on the lithium batteries with the 12-volt system, with the SLA, with the little portable batteries. You can use a 22 amp hours as the box sitting right underneath right now. And guys, still contemplating. I don't even know. And I even got a Ryobi box. The Ryobi box is sitting there. I want to put a big inverter. I want to make a 12-volt system that's able to power up something that's really meant something in case of any crisis. What I have here, guys, is a Magnasign Magnum Energy, one of the best inverters out there, and the Outback, and then it's a very good machines. Plus, having a Midnight Classic here, that's just awesome machines that if you want to get into solar, I would encourage you to have your hands on into this. And if you want to start, I would recommend you start the best way, or to start with the best, as much closer to perfect the way you want it, because you don't want to redo everything you've done or your investment. Guys, it will come back and haunt you someday somehow, and you will say, I wish I would have started this, or I would have done it this way first. Okay, this is a Magnasign Magnum Energy. This is a 600 watt. Okay, you've seen the 1,000 watts ones I had, and you can see right there is it's starting from a 10 volt, from 10 to 15.5 volt, and inverter is see the is a 600 watt model. And you guys have seen the two Magnasign Magnum 1210 I've had, and you've seen all the videos I've seen. If you haven't seen that, go back to my playlist and you will see exactly what I was doing. So this is what I'm trying to do, guys. I want to put it into this PVC box here and do it, or I put into the Ryobi. And if you go back and check into my spraying how to build a battery box, and I'm spraying my box, something like that video, you guys have seen a lot of things what I've tried to do with the 12-volt, why I never completed this mission. Well, I think we have to complete this. We have to complete with a 2,000 watt inverter, or a 1,000 watt inverter, or this 600 watt inverter. Is it gonna go with the classic? I don't know. It's gonna come with the different specifications here. I don't want it to be too small. I want it in case I can able to power a refrigerator. I can able to power my TV. I can able to power 2 or 3 things simultaneously. So that's what I was thinking now, using the Magnasign Magnum, which is the 2012. You've seen that. I haven't seen that, go back to my playlist and look at the Magnasign Magnum 12-volt version, or you go see Magnasign Magnum inverter chargers. You will see that, or my portable generators. You will see that. All the other videos. I don't even know what to do yet. I have all these machines around me and trying to build a system that is not going to be too heavy. It's not going to be too light, not to able to do things I wanted. I don't know, guys. You tell me what you think. I know guys, you guys say, hey, you know what you want to build. We don't know. I always come up with my ideas anyway, but I'm get stuck with this. The 12-volt system is fun. I can load up batteries here. You guys can see that before. The batteries in there with this SLA. It's a brand new ones. I never used them. I tried them on my grid tied inverter limiter. You can watch that video on my playlist as well. You see what I did with those batteries on a 60 volts configuration. And I have the grid tied inverter limiters. I still have a setup that's sitting here, which I want to do something I don't even know what to do yet. Like I said, it's very, very, very contradicting situation, and I want to bring you guys more videos. Now I have this Midnight Classic 150. This is the regular Classic 150. It's sitting here. It's just trickle charging the batteries that was the batteries that are in there, which is the SLA, with 280-watt solar panels that I showed you, or how to mount a mount solar panels using Superstrut or Unistrut. Check that video too on my playlist. It has a lot of hits that people are learning, mostly how to mount your solar panels on a roof or ground. But I did a demonstration on that. So those are the ones I'm powering right now to trickle charge these batteries, which I don't haven't put to use yet, but I don't want them to go bad. I just want them to be trickle charged, not to go bad at all. At least I'm gonna have something to do with them in the near future. So guys, this is the situation. On the 4th of July 2020, I'm trying to put my 12-volt system together and get it done once and for all. Am I gonna use this 12-volt system? No, really, no. But I want to have I want to build a redundant. I like to build a redundant systems in case something happen. I don't want to keep this one in the garage. I want to keep it very close to me, and because of the batteries and because of the equipment, because the garage is not heated. But you guys have seen a lot of things I've done in the past, but I want to take my time and do it right. I like to do things once and for all. I don't want to redo things at all. That's why sometimes I think so much and other projects fall in place and I have to execute that project and this one never continue. So this is the problem. Something with the 12-volt system that's holding me back, but I have to fix this problem. Stay tuned for that. More videos coming, more equipment in the house. I want to show you guys for more reviews. Like and subscribe live from the channel JW Solar USA.